The future isn't something that just rushes over us like water. It's not something that's sold to us. It's not something that just happens to us, but rather we can all be active agents in shaping the futures that we want to live in. We build imaginary worlds, and we take emerging trends and we project them into possible futures. And the hope is that we can arm audiences in the present moment with the type of knowledge they need to make decisions that might enact the type of futures that everyone wants to start to live in together. Architecture is an inherently slow discipline, and technology is coming at us at a pace that's so much faster than that. So I started moving my work into the territories of speculation, of science fiction, of film, because I was able to prototype ideas and connect audiences with ideas at a speed that was so much faster than traditional architecture. What we're seeing is that real-time rendering is actually enabling a collapsing together of film visual effects workflows and video game workflows. A project like Planet City is a working digital model of an entire city for 10 billion people. That's a lot of polygons and a lot of digital objects to be processing. The MSI hardware enables us to literally be in these worlds in a way we could never do so before. And I think that's a profound change. It's really opened up the ways that world building and large-scale visual effects projects can keep within the storytelling mode that we like to operate within. So what we've been developing on the MSI graphics card is a proof of concept, a visual development of what the great endeavor is going to be as an imaginary world. So it'll be a docufiction. It'll be a hybrid story that looks at the present day context of where carbon capture technology actually is, and the speculative fiction of where carbon capture technology needs to get to in our generation. The future landscape in front of us is a dark and shadowed and unknown territory. And each little fiction, each future scenario is like a torch beam that shines a little slice of light into that landscape ahead of us. The more stories we tell, the more of that landscape gets illuminated, and the easier it is for us to understand where we might take the next step and how we might navigate that territory in order to get to a more preferable future on the other side. My name is Liam Young, and I am a speculative architect and director, and I build imaginary worlds.